everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an invisible spawn. So making a spawn is pretty simple. So now we have our spawn right here. I'll also show you the testing, like I'll show you the spawn is really invisible or not. So now another thing I want to tell you is that not only the spawn is invisible, but also the spawn cannot be touched. And this painting, spawn paint, I'll also show you how to remove them. So first off, what you have to do is just click on view, open up explorer and properties. You don't even need the terrain generator right there. So now take for example you are in this template. So like if you have a large map, you cannot find a spawn location in the work explorer. All you have to do is just move over to an checkpoint and then press alt and then click on it. So now now go to the properties, and now what you have to do is turn off cast shadow. So spawn point won't cast any shadow now, and change the transparency to 1. And now there's still this decal up here. So what you have to do is just click on this drop down, click on this, and either press delete or just right click and delete. So now it may seem like your spawn point's gone, but when you click on it, it's actually there. So now this is how you make an invisible spawn. But when a player spawns on the point, they'll be hovering over it because it can still collide with the player. It can still collide with the car, anything that can move. So now to make this not collide with anything, you have to go to behavior, and then you can see all these stuff. So what you have to do is just click on can collide. So just turn it on. So now what it just does is just this is not solid anymore, it's just like a piece of air. So another thing that you could do to make your spawn invisible is just like this. So 1 second. So this isn't invisible, but it sort of makes it look like it is invisible. So click on building tools by F3X. So recently my Roblox Studio can't just move with these move tools and scale tool. It doesn't work, so I'm using this plugin. So you can just click on the spawn point and then just move it down a little. So now if your spawn goes too underground, then you'll probably the player won't probably be on the ground. He'll be stuck inside the land, and it'll also be glitching sometimes if you're not on a plain road. So I recommend using this method. I always use this method. So now it seems like they are not here, but actually they are. So here's one, here's one. So now let me just quickly test the game and show you. Hello everyone. So yeah, now we are spawned inside this glitched this glitch spawn. So now let's just try and ride one of these. Let's just reset and see if we spawn in another checkpoints. So let's just reset and reset till we get the checkpoint. So you can basically just make all the checkpoints invisible. So it's not working, so I'll just delete all the checkpoints except for those two. So let me just run the game right here. So we still have the two invisible spawn. So the two visible spawn, I just deleted the spawns. So now let's just wait for the game to load up. So now we have spawned in. So now since we spawned in, let me just show you the spawn again. So now if you reset, I'm in third person mode. I'm looking at the ground right now. So now if you see, we are still on the ground. So for the player, it will look like this. So we'd be still in the ground, and the spawn points won't change. So this is how you make an invisible spawn. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching.